Hello students, I've been wanting to make a video of this math trick that we've done in class. It's a beautiful, beautiful trick. It's a trick where we pretend to do mental addition, rapid mental addition, but really we're not doing addition. These are like trick numbers. So all these cards have 4 digits written on them. All these cards have 4 digits written on them. And all you do is that you pick 4 cards randomly and you line them up. You pick 4 cards randomly and you line them up. So it makes no difference what cards we pick. It also doesn't make a difference how we arrange them. So let's just go with that. I don't even know what I picked. So let's look at that. And so a student would do this, and we are pretending that we're pretending to be adding these numbers rapidly. So we are pretending that in our mind, we are going to add the 4-digit numbers. So the first number is 7,414. We are pretending that we're going to add that 4-digit number, 7,414, to 4,898, adding that to 4,838, adding that to 7,686. So we're pretending that we're going to be adding these 4-digit numbers all together. We pretend to do it also quickly, but really it's not. We're not doing mental addition. There is a code, there's a secret pattern of these numbers that we can get the number directly. So if you want me to reveal the trick, which I've revealed it in classroom, students do it, I will do this in the video. If you want to pause this video right now because there's a spoiler alert, so this is a spoiler alert because I will reveal the solution to this video, in this video, to this trick. Okay, so I'll count down to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Solution incoming. So the way we do it very quickly is, the secret is that the answer is hidden in the 3rd row. I purposefully did that. The answer is hidden in the 3rd row. So I know that what I do is I take 2 away from the 1's digit, which is I know that the sum here, let me just move it up. And I said my claim is that the answer, I have hidden the answer in the 3rd row. So what I do is I need a better setup, but it's okay. We are good enough here. So if we want to add these 4 numbers, I know that I'll take the 8. I know the answer is hidden in the 3rd row. I take that 8 and I take 2 away from it, so that's going to be a 6. Everything else comes down. That's a 3. That's an 8. That's a 4. And I put a 2 right here. And of course I put the comma, and I claim that that is the total. The total is 24,836. That's what I get when I add, that's my total, 24,836. That's what happens when I add these 4-digit numbers. And if you do if you do it in a calculator, you would see that you do this faster. Okay, so how does this trick work? Because for some novice person, somebody that doesn't know math, or somebody that doesn't realize what we are doing, they think the kids are just doing mental math rapidly. But it's not mental math rapidly. It's a pattern. There's a reason. There's a pattern with these numbers. Now, what is the pattern? Well, again, I chose to put the answer hidden in the 3rd row. I could have made it in the 1st row or the 4th row, but I thought that would be too obvious. So I chose to hide it in the 3rd row. I could have also done it in the 2nd row, I guess. I don't know. I went with 3. Let's just go with it. You could make your own. What you notice is that regardless of whatever card you pick, the sum of the numbers in the 1st, 2nd, and 4th always add up to the same thing. Can you tell me what that is? So what I'm saying is the sum of the digits in the 1st, 2nd, and 4th always add up to the same thing. Did you get it? 4 plus 6 plus 8, 18. 1 plus 9 plus 8, 18. 4 plus 8 plus 6, 18. 7 plus 4 plus 7, 18. 8 plus 5 plus 5, 18. They're all 18. So the whole idea is that when we are, what were our original digits? Right here. So when we take our digits, when we take our number, in this case, it was 4,838. And here, let me zoom in bigger because that's, so when we take that number and we add to it, imagine we have a number system where we can put 2-digit numbers squeezed in a 1-digit space. And we add 18 to every single number. Every single digit will have 18 added to it. Well, the answer is going to be very predictable. 8 plus 18, that's going to be 26. So the 6 comes down and we carry the 2. The 2 and the 18, that's just 20. So this is 23. The 3 comes down, we carry the 2 again. Same pattern happens, the 2 and the 18, that adds up to 20. 20 plus 8, the 8 comes down, the 2 gets carried. Same thing, 2 plus 18, that's 20. So the 4 comes down and the 2 gets carried again, and finally the 2 drops, and the answer is right there, and that's what our calculator would show. So it's a trick. We pretend to do mental math, we pretend to do rapid math, but it's really just a pattern of addition. And that's why I call it Trick 18, Trick 18. And it's one of the staples of our repertoire of tricks in our classroom. And we love this stuff because students get excited about math, students get excited about learning math and explaining math, and they understand place value, understand addition, math in a fun way. And it's really, really cool. And we could make our own. Of course, there are other tricks, other puzzles, other patterns similar to this, but this is one of the ones that I absolutely love. And I want my students to love math. I want my students to enjoy math and appreciate math, and also to understand math and wonder why puzzles work and have some sort of a pleasure of performing math tricks, just like, because math is also a performance sport. That's it. Beautiful day. Bye.